Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build this beautiful mega menu in WordPress. So as you can see, if we hover on the store menu, we have this beautiful mega menu with multiple columns. And if we go to plugins, let me show you which plugin you need to install. So click on add new. Click on add plugin. And here type ElementsKit and press enter. Actually it's ElementsKit. Okay, click on install now for this plugin. Once this plugin is installed, just activate the plugin. Click on activate. Once the plugin is active, we have this menu ElementsKit. Right click and open a new tab to set up our mega menu. We have to enable or disable some elements so that we can set up the mega menu. So in modules, make sure that the mega menu element is active and turned on, and scroll down if you need to enable any other. All these widgets are available in free version, and the ones that are mentioned as pro are only available in pro version. Okay, unlock all and next step, complete setup. And now it's configuring the plugin. Wait for it until it gets to 100%. After setting up all these things, let's click on header and footer. Here you have to create a new template. Let's give it a title header and choose the type as header and apply this on entire site. And you can also add this to a specific page in activate and deactivate, turn on and save changes. Now click on edit content to add the contents in a drag and drop editor. Click on edit and wait for this while it is saving. Once it's saved, click on edit content and the drag and drop editor will be loaded. Wait for it. It's already loading. Okay. While it is loading, we are opening the nav menu in a new tab from appearance, and in the previous tab we have that edit content. Okay, enable mega menu ElementsKit for this menu. This is our shop menu, and then for store we want the mega menu in the drop down, so click on enabled and save it. After saving, we will click on edit mega menu to open the drag and drop editor. Here we will choose the already existing templates in ElementsKit. So just click on import templates for ElementsKit and choose the design from already available. So click on sections tab because we will need a 4-column layout. Scroll down and search for mega menu. While it will load the templates, you can choose it from already built templates from the list here. Once it's loaded, just choose a template. We will choose the black one or just the white one. This is okay. Okay, now we have this template ready, and this is a 2-column template for this screen, but when we will switch to the full screen, it will be 4-column template. Okay, let's choose the background color black, and we will choose the text color as white. So after choosing the background, theme color 3, okay, this color is fine. Now edit each of these text elements and choose the color. In the style, for title it will be white. From global colors, let's choose color 6. It is from the theme colors, but you can also choose a custom color as well. So copy style and paste style on all of other elements. No, not paste, it will be paste style, but let's delete this and paste style. This will not work on other elements, just on titles. So let's paste style on title, this one. Okay, this title doesn't work. Let's check in full screen. Actually, the titles and the menus are different. So for the titles, we copy and paste style, but for these menu items, we will edit on pen icon. In the style, we will choose the color for list manually, and then copy and paste style on the other elements. Okay, now you can edit the list here. So click on this to expand, and we can change the title, we can change the link, and we can change the style or hover color as well. So the mega menu will take effect after changing all these things and then publish this menu. So let's change the menu color, menu name. Hello. So you can see we have this hello, the second menu, the link, and the text. For the image, if we edit, we can choose image directly. For this menu or for this menu, you have to edit every single item separately. Similarly for this, let me show once again. If we click the element, we have a list here. If we click on any of these titles, we can change the name, we can change the subtitle, we can change the link, or you can show icon or hide icon for any of these menus. And then we will publish the menu after editing, and once it's published, we will close this and go to WP admin. Let's go to appearance, menus, in the menus Just close the editor and save the mega menu. Once it is saved, let me show you how it will look like on the front end. Let's close this menu and save the main menu as well. Okay, load the front page and hover on store, and we have this beautiful mega menu with all these icons, menus and headings. So that was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.